The world is moving fast, literally. The rise of autonomous electric vehicles, EVs, is no longer science fiction. It's our new reality. Companies like Tesla and Rivian are at the forefront, redefining how we drive, or rather, how we don't drive anymore. Imagine telling someone from the 1980s that in 2024, cars would drive themselves. They'd probably say, "Cool, but do they have flying skateboards yet?" Well, sorry, Marty McFly, but autonomous EVs are stealing the show for now. Tesla, of course, has been the poster child of autonomous technology for years. With its full self-driving FSD software, the company has turned every Tesla into a potential robo-chauffeur. And who doesn't want a chauffeur that doesn't ask for tips? Sure, the system still needs some oversight, but Tesla's AI has come a long way. These cars can navigate complex city streets, highways, and even parking lots better than most humans. Let's face it, if you've ever been cut off by a car, it was probably driven by a human, not a Tesla. Meanwhile, Rivian is shaking things up as a serious contender in the EV market. Known for its rugged electric trucks and SUVs, Rivian is combining autonomy with adventure. Their vehicles are designed for both city commutes and off-road escapades. Picture this: you're hiking in the wilderness, and your Rivian finds its way to pick you up. It's like Lassie, but instead of saving you from a well, it's saving you from walking too far after a long hike. So what's fueling the rise of autonomous EVs? For starters, there's the environmental aspect. Both Tesla and Rivian are committed to reducing carbon emissions. Tesla's supercharger network and Rivian's adventure network make it easier than ever to keep your EV powered. But let's not forget the sheer convenience. Autonomous EVs promise to eliminate road rage, bad parallel parking, and the age-old debate over who's driving on road trips. It's a win-win-win. The technology behind these vehicles is nothing short of groundbreaking. Tesla's FSD uses advanced neural networks to analyze real-time data from the car's cameras, sensors, and radar. It's like having a car with the brain of Einstein, if Einstein could drive, of course. On the other hand, Rivian's Driver Plus system offers hands-free driving assistance, focusing on safety and reliability. While Tesla aims for a fully autonomous future, Rivian is taking a more cautious approach, ensuring the technology evolves responsibly. But let's talk about the competition, because nothing fuels innovation like a good rivalry. Tesla and Rivian aren't the only players in this game. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and even legacy automakers like Ford and GM are racing to dominate the autonomous EV market. It's like watching the Olympics of car technology, except instead of gold medals, the prize is billions of dollars and a slice of the future. One of the biggest challenges for autonomous EVs is public trust. Autonomous electric vehicles, EVs, are pushing the boundaries of technology, but challenges remain. Tesla and Rivian are leading the way, with Tesla's full self-driving FSD software logging billions of miles, and Rivian focusing on building user trust through real-time monitoring. However, legal issues such as liability in accidents and regulatory changes are still unresolved. The high cost of autonomous EVs also hinders widespread adoption, though prices are expected to drop over time, much like the shift in TV technology. Autonomous EVs could transform industries, including ride-sharing and logistics, while reducing urban traffic. Yet, concerns about ethics, such as life-or-death decision-making and job displacement in transportation, remain. Tesla and Rivian are at the forefront of this revolution, and while the future is uncertain, it's clear that autonomous electric vehicles are the way forward, potentially making commuting stress-free.